Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today's video I will be sharing with you how to make ogbono mix with okra soup. I will start by transferring the meat inside a pot. I'm using beef skin, beef tripes. I'll season with onions, salt, dried pepper, season cubes. I'll stir to combine everything together. I'll leave the meat to steam cook on a medium to low heat without adding water for 10 to 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, add enough water to cook the meat and stir. Cover and leave the meat to cook. Next, I'll be using stockfish. To that, I'll add salt, hot water. I'll leave it to soak. You can also start cooking the stockfish together with the meat if you like the stockfish to be very, very soft. I'll be using ogbono, and this is the ungrounded one. I'll grind it with a dry grinder and then adding some red palm oil. Stir until it's well combined. So for ogbono, you don't need to add too much oil because ogbono itself does contain oil, and I will set that aside. I'll also be using okra. Cut the okra into your desired size. I'll be using vegetable. You can use any vegetable of your choice. The meat is been cooking out for some time. It's almost soft. To that, I'll add in the stockfish and stir. And I'll add some water. Give it a very quick stir. I will place the plate that contains the ogbono here so the heat can melt it while the meat is still cooking. Once all of the meat are well cooked, add the ogbono and stir. I'll add the dried fish, blended crayfish, dried pepper, and salt. And I'll stir. I'll not be adding in any more seasoning cubes because the one I use in cooking the meat is just enough for me. I'll leave the ogbono to cook for about 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, I'll then give it a very nice stir. If the ogbono is too thick, you can add in warm water. You don't want it to be too thick because we're going to be adding in okra. I'll add the sliced okra and stir. You can taste it and adjust the seasoning if needed. Next, I'll add in the vegetable. I'm using collard green. You can use any vegetable of your choice and stir. I wish you guys can perceive the delicious aroma that is going on here in my kitchen. I'll leave the soup to cook for about 2 to 5 minutes and the soup is ready. I'll be having mine with cassava fufu. You can enjoy this soup with any swallow of your choice. This soup was very, very delicious. I hope you do give this recipe a try. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you all in my next video.